I.
little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white
J.
as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary
K.
went, the lamb was sure to go.
L.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
M.
It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
N.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned
O.
it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently
P.
about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love
Q.
Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the
R.
lamb, you know.
Let's go coloring.
Lamb, you know. Why Mary
I for
loves
Indian.
the lamb, you
I for
know.
igloo.
The teacher
I is for island, surrounded by sea. J for jam. J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea.
Mary had a little
K for
lamb,
kangaroo.
little lamb, little lamb. Mary
K
had
for
a
key.
little lamb. Its fleece was white as
K for
snow.
koala, he's cute and he's brown. L for ladder. L for leaf. L is for lamb, he's prancing around. M for monkey.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London
M for
Bridge is
mouse.
falling down, my fair lady.
M is for money, it's best if you save.
Sticks and stones, sticks and stones.
N for nail.
Stones, build it up with sticks and stones.
N for nose.
Fair lady.
N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus. O for orange. O is for olive, it's green and it's black.
Stones will all fall down, all
P
fall
for
down,
paint.
all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down.
P for
My
popcorn.
fair lady, build it up
P
with
is for
wood
plates
and
that you
clay,
dry in a
wood
rack.
and clay, wood and
Q for
clay.
question.
Build it up with wood and clay.
Q for
My
queen.
fair lady.
Q is for question, when you don't know why. R for radio. R for rake. R is for rainbow, you see in the sky.
Wash away, wash
I,
away,
J,
wash away.
K,
Wood and clay
L,
will wash away.
M,
My fair
N,
lady.
O,
Build it up
P,
with iron and
Q,
steel, iron
R.
and steel, iron
Thanks
and
for
steel.
watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.